Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is Dr. BP alias Bapuji Pillaku. See, this problem is a very good problem. First problem we done k into lx minus x square. Some people they will do lambda into lx minus x square, but that is also very important. This is also very important. Why I will tell you. This y naught sin cube pi x by L. While doing the problem I will tell you. You don't worry. Now, see, read the problem first. A tightly stretched string with fixed endpoints at x is equal to 0, x is equal to L, initially in a position given by, so displacement given. So always you can read the problem whether the given velocity or initial displacement. If it is released from rest from this position, find the displacement y at any distance x from one end at any time t. So same story. What you told, if they given first you can write equation, then you can write boundary conditions, okay, because y differentiate with respect to t 2 times, y differentiate with respect to x 2 times, I will get the 4 conditions, 2 initial conditions, 2 boundary conditions. Shalraba, first you can write. For first 3 is the same story. Write equation dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square. Then solution you can write at u means what previous problem, just you can made as a y actually. Y of 0 comma t is equal to 0. One end is 0. There is no y, but there is no displacement. At x is equal to L also there is no displacement. Initially velocity 0, dou y by dou t at t is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Then y of initial displacement given, that is f of x, that is equal to y naught minus v. You know right solution. This correct solution is y of x comma t is equal to c1 cos px plus c2 sin px, c3 cos pat, c4 sin pat. This you can take equation 1. I know if I substituted first equation what I will get, c1 0, second equation p is equal to n pi by L, third condition c4 is equal to 0. This all you can remember like a tape recorder. Then fourth only the story will change. Here also totally different story. This is equal to, so I don't want to do here the Fourier half rations. Why I will tell you. Now time we can forget about. Now substituting again I am doing. Some people what they will write directly after applying the 3 conditions, they can write y of x comma t is equal to cn sin n pi x by L cos n pi at by L. See the previous problem. All textbooks they will follow. But anyway we are doing this here. Right. If you apply the first condition, what you will get, y of 0 comma t 0 implies 0 is equal to, if we put x is equal to 0 means what, c1 c3 cos pat c4 sin pat. So same story, this cannot be 0, so only chance is c1 0. If you put c1 is equal to 0 means what, equation 1 become what, y of x comma t is equal to c2 sin px c3 cos pat c4 sin pat. This you can write equation 2. Second condition is what, y of L comma t is equal to 0. This also you know because I am going fast. Previous problem already done. If you want you can check previous video. So y of L comma t is equal to 0, x plus L you can write 0 is equal to sin PL, c2 sin PL, then c3 cos PAT, c4 sin PAT. So from this again same story, this cannot be 0, this is 0 means there is no string, there is no problem, there is no marks. So sin P also, PL, C2 also cannot be 0. Why means what? If C1 also 0, C2 also 0 means what? There is no solution, trivial. There is no vibration. So it's also highly impossible. So only chance is what here? sin PL is equal to 0. If you want, you can write C2 cannot be 0, this term cannot be 0. So become what? Sin PL is equal to 0. So PL is equal to what? N pi. So from this P is equal to what? N pi by L. Go back and substitute in second equation. Then what it become? Shall above. If you substitute in second equation, so y of x comma t is equal to what? C2 sin n pi x by L, C3 cos n pi a t by L, C4 sin n pi a t by L. So this becomes third equation. Now my third condition is what? Dou y by dou t is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0. First you can find dou y by dou t. Dou y by dou t, what will get him? C2 sin n pi x by L, then minus C3 sin n pi a t by L into n pi a by L plus C4 cos n pi a t by L into n pi a by L. If we put t is equal to 0 here, this become what? Put t is equal to 0 in above equation. So what will get? 0 is equal to C2 sin n pi x by L. Then this term vanish, that C4 n pi a by L. So n cannot be 0, pi cannot be 0, a cannot be 0, L cannot be 0. L cannot be 0 means there is no, L is equal to 0 means what? There is no string actually, one dot only. So in this what you will get? So answers are what? C4 is equal to 0. Here also same story, C2 cannot be 0. C4 if you substitute it, go back and substitute it in 3, what you will get? Getting? Am I going fast? Already we know, taken for granted, just I am going fast. So y of x comma t is equal to C2 sin n pi x by L, C3 cos n pi a t by L. This is the balance. Now I will let C2, C3 is equal to Cn. You will have an infinite number of values, C2, C3 arbitrary constants. I will write superposition principle. So C2, C3 sin n pi x by L cos n pi a t by L. Put C2, C3 is equal to Cn. So y of x comma is equal to Cn sin, this is the last position of the solution, cos n pi a t by L. This is the equation 4 or 5, I can check. Now finally initial displacement they given, y of x comma 0 is equal to y naught sin cube pi x by L. So if you write y naught sin q pi x by L, put t is equal to 0. So it's become what? Sigma Cn Cn sin n pi cube. Yes, sin n pi cube xl. Now from this what you understand? Above. So from this what how can I write? Y naught sin cube pi x by L is equal to Cn sin n pi x by L. But I am substituting previous problem, Cn is equal to Bn, so the second net, this is the form of the half-range sine series, Bn I am finding. I don't want to do the half-range sine series. Y means what? Answer also in terms of sine. This is also on sine. So series if expand, what I will get? C1 sin pi x by L, C2 sin 2 pi x by L, C3 sin 3 pi x by L, C4 sin 4x by up to infinity it will go. If I compare both side coefficients, my job is over. But sin cube, how can I write sin cube x? From sin 3x I will write. What is my sin 3x? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. From this sin cube x, how can I write? 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. So this fellow, how can I write actually? Y naught sin cube equal to sin cube pi x by, how can I write? 3 sin pi x by L minus sin 3 pi x by L is equal to sigma Cn sin. See, I am not doing here afferent sine series because the series also sine, question also sine. I don't want to go the afferent sine series. Now if I compare this side, how can I write actually? C1 sin pi x by L, C2 sin 2 pi x by L, C3 sin 3 pi x by L plus C4 sin 4 pi x by L. It will go up to infinity. So comparing both sides, what I will get actually? This is C1. From this, what you understand? C1 is equal to what? By 4 is there. 3 y naught by 4. C2 0. Then C3 is equal to what? Minus y naught by 4. Then C2 is equal to C4, C5, all is equal to, remaining all terms are 0. Only stands C1, C3. If I go back and substitute in equation 4, there is no need to write sigma notation. Only two terms only stands, C1 and C3. So my equation become what? Shall I rub off? Getting on it. So my solution is what? Y of x comma t Cn sin n pi x by L cos n pi a t by L. In this is standing Cn is equal to n is equal to 1 to infinity, but my value stands only C1, C3. So if I write C1 is equal to what? 3y naught. 3y naught by 4 sin 1. C1 means put n is equal to 1. Sin pi x by L cos pi a t by L. C3 is equal to what? Minus y naught. If I substituted minus y naught by 4 sin C3 means what? Sin 3 pi x by L cos 3 pi a t by L. This is the displacement position at any time t from x is equal to 0. No sigma. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye. We meet in next problem.